Yo yo! In this lesson we're going to discuss speech recognition, which is the usage of machine learning for understanding speech and translating it into text. We're going to be using this ability in our social engineering. A very important part of social engineering is OSINT, or open source intelligence, which is basically the sifting for information that is available publicly. To give an illustration, it was mentioned by a public figure, namely James Comey of the FBI, that he uses Twitter, but he had no public Twitter account. A certain pen tester followed through on this thread of information and eventually found his secret Twitter account. But this is an example of OSINT because you listen to his verbal slip in a public forum about using Twitter to learn information about the target. Now, with so much information out there, how can a human possibly look through all of it? Well, AI to the rescue. By using speech recognition, one can feed a huge bulk of information to AI to extract speech and find conversations which are of interest. I'm going to play a couple audio files and we're going to use machine learning speech recognition to convert these into text.
There was a change now.
Some of you may have read recently that I'm on Twitter. I am not a tweeter. I am there to listen, to read especially what's being said about the FBI and its mission.
Once we have text, it is easy to search for specific keywords such as Twitter or FBI or whatever other keyword is of interest. So I'm going to use a pre-made solution using Google APIs for speech recognition. And as you can see, it detected the word Twitter just like it should have. So this gives you a basic recipe for performing OSINT on audio in an automated fashion. In the next lesson, we're going to use AI to impersonate people's voices. See you at the next lesson.